Hello everyone, thank you for joining us for a quick tip here at SSEV. We're going to be pulling the Padeyes out of a Hobie kayak. If you don't have yourself one of these cool handy dandy tools, we'll give the link below so that you can go and get you one of these. I'm going to show you that you can also get her done with some needle nose pliers and a set of channel locks. So what you want to do is open the needle nose and engage on the two little notches, and then go ahead and set your channel locks to be about the width of your needle nose, and you're going to want to push down on these needle nose the same time that you're going to turn it with the channel locks. And you're going to want to give this a good 2 half revolutions to get her loose, and then once you do that, then you should be able to spin this out by hand. Once you get enough to get your fingers on it, they can usually pull out with your fingertips. You could go ahead and replace this, tighten up bungees, swap out other things, and then you can put it back in. Just be careful that when you go to tighten the last little bit with your needle nose, that you're pushing down into these grooves pretty good, because if you don't, it will slip and it will score your boat.